I'm in. You see my camera? They're melting Ratchet.
They slaughtered Ratchet! I'm gonna tear them apart!
Metal. Just metal. That's what I always thought of them.
But they're not. They're living things with souls like ours. And once I spoke to one.
And you're working with Transformium?
Yeah, that's what I do. I am.
I'm out there digging for it. There's just not much left to find. So that's how badly you boys need more, huh? Reduced to melting evil old Decepticons down.
No. That's an Autobot there. The ones who fought for us.